Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing you another website that you can earn money by just training AI. The website is called dataannotation.com. You get paid to train AI on your own schedule. As you can see, it says, do you have a degree in math, physics, biology or chemistry? So they're looking for people who have a passion in mathematics, physics, biology, or even chemistry. $20 per hour, and they have 100k members and above. It's so easy for you to get started. You just click on get started and you sign up. So it says the tens of millions of dollars have been paid out to our dedicated members as they transform AI. So what you do is just do tasks, earn money, simple as that. So once you are done signing up, you take the starter assessment and you start earning. So they say there's flexible work and transparent pay. They give you flexible hours. You work from anywhere. There's also free training for you, and you can choose your own projects. You don't need to have any AI experience for you to start, and there's also transparent pay. So how much will I get paid? From $20 an hour upwards. And how flexible is the work? It is very flexible. You choose when to work, how much to work, and which project you like to work on. So work is available 24/7. So guys, go and try your luck and sign up. They say there are limited spots available, so the sooner you go and apply for this training, the better you get a chance to get in earlier than the rest of the people. So guys, this application is available in the US, Canada, UK, Ireland, New Zealand and Australia, but if you're outside these countries, you're still welcome to make an account, and then they can email you once they come to that region that you are in. So don't give up because they said it is in Canada and US. Just sign up and be ready, be checking your emails, because anytime they can reach out to you and you get started. And now that the payment is $20 per hour, that means that if you work for maybe, let's give it like 7 hours in a day, you get $140 per day. And that's so, it's like, it's so much for you, considering that you work from anywhere, the comfort of your home, just training AI, maybe on several factors in maths, physics, biology, or even chemistry. So thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Please make sure to subscribe.